Genesis, chapter 1, verse 24 to 25. 24. And God said, Let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, the livestock, the creatures that move along the ground, and the wild animals, each according to its kind. And it was so. 25. God made the wild animals according to their kinds, the livestock according to their kinds, and all the creatures that move along the ground according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. Ipinakita na ang Diyos ang lumikha ng lahat ng hayop sa lupa, mga alagang hayop, mababangis na hayop, at mga gumagapang. Bawat isa ay nilikha ayon sa kani-kanilang uri na may kanya-kanyang katangian at papel sa kalikasan. Ipinapakita rin dito na maayos at may kaayusan ang paglikha ng Diyos at nakita niya na ang lahat ng kanyang ginawa ay mabuti. Follow for daily Bible verses.